To making a purchase overseas, the machine shipping is also a question to consider. So how do we arrange the machine shipping for customer? Last time we talked about the production procedure, and after that we will arrange the machine shipping for customer. If you have your own shipping agent, we will send the packing size, delivery date, and our factory address to your shipping agent. And we also have our professional shipping agent. We will book a shipping space by LCL or OFCL and get the draft bill of lading to send you to confirm everything. And then we will arrange the machine shipping to Qingdao port and loading on board until the machine arrives at the destination port. Some customers also consider about the customer clearance. The very place we will offer the documents. You can send the documents to your broker to complete the customer clearance. And as for some countries and places, our shipping agents also can complete the custom clearance for you. Okay, it's time today to choose a person to make everything easy.